You are watching the disaster news, and stay connected with us by subscribing to get next news. Cyclone Freddie hit Madagascar with a speed of 130 kilometers per hour. Many houses were destroyed and 4 deaths have been reported so far. Madagascar's National Office of Risk and Disaster Management said neglect was responsible for the deaths. Schools, colleges, offices, courts are closed along with closure of 10 regions. Air traffic was suspended. The Meteorological Department of the country has warned that the rain will continue. Seas will remain very rough and coastal areas are at risk of inundation. Cyclone Freddie is forecast to cross the ocean from Madagascar and make landfall in Mozambique. More than 2 million people could be affected, UN officials say. If you like the video, then comments and stay connected with us by liking, sharing and subscribing to get the latest news.